bigyan mo ko muna kayo ng parang information or mga terms na ginagamit for designing websites or web designing. Okay? So, may nagtanong sa other section na may websys rin, tinatanong kung aabot ba raw pa sa PHP. So, I don't know. Depende yan sa time. Kung meron pa tayong time. Okay, kasi tuturo ko pa sa inyo HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript. Okay, so tatlo yun. Definitely, kung mapagkakasya natin, meron tayong time, pwede mag-PHP. Okay, so depende rin sa inyo. Kasi kung tingin ko nahihirapan na kayo sa HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, hindi na muna. I-delay muna natin yung PHP. Okay, so baka kunin nyo na lang yung sa other subject. Okay, so simulan na natin. So nakikita nyo na yung screen ko? Yes or no?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes. Then you have already the link, right, for our lecture for today. Nakalagay yung GC natin. Link. Itong kopyang to. You can open it habang dinidiscuss ko para meron kayong to follow. Guide to the lecture. Okay? So simulan na tayo ha. Okay? So yan. So nakikita niyo, class? Nakikita niyo naman, no? So here are some basic information about web system, okay, and technologies. So here we have to compare the internet and the web. Okay, so obviously there are differences. Identify web browser components, compare websites and web pages, describe types of websites, and identify parts of a web page, summarize the importance of hyperlinks, and use a web browser. Okay, so these are the topics that we will discuss today. Okay, so next. Okay, meron pa pala. Describe web designing, describe website development steps, identify the 3 categories of website design, discuss web design careers, identify parts of the front page interface, and use front page to view web pages. So, obviously, marami to, pero pinagsiksikan na doon sa Archinumpers na within this slide. So, maiksi lang to, class. Mapapahaba lang because, of course, I need to give you some examples. Next. Okay, yeah. So, first section is the introduction to the web. So here, the main idea is what is the difference of internet and World Wide Web? Yeah, of course. The internet is a worldwide network of hardware. The World Wide Web is part of the internet. Websites are divided into categories that meet particular needs. So here, the internet is the network, the connections. The World Wide Web is the content of the internet. Okay? So, yun yung isa sa mga definite, okay, na description. Okay? The difference of internet and World Wide Web. Next. Okay, so the internet and the World Wide Web are not the same things. Okay? Kasi sa atin, sa mga Pilipino, kapag sinabi, di ba, example, other term pag sinabing USB, we are pertaining to the flash drive. Pero class, in terms of computer lingo, pag sinabing USB, we are talking about the port, not the flash drive. Pero since nasanay na tayo na pag sinabing USB is flash drive, yun ang ginagamit natin. Ganon din sa internet and World Wide Web. Pag naisip mo is internet, website. Okay? Pag sinabi mong World Wide Web, internet. Pero different yun, class. Magkaiba yun. So, the internet provides access, yung connection to the World Wide Web, and the web is the content, okay, or the information while we are using the internet. So, internet hardware such as computers, cables, and telephone wires, this is the connections that is connected to create a massive worldwide network. While World Wide Web naman is a system of interlinked hypertext documents that are accessed via the internet, ito yung mga website, web pages. So, file contains information such as text, graphics, video, or animation that is stored on the computer hardware. So, basically, we have files that we can we can provide it to our websites or web pages if we will decide it. Okay? So next. Okay, isang patalastas muna. Okay, skip yan. Next. How the web works. So a website is made up of web pages. Obviously, nakita na siguro kayo ng websites, no? A home page is generally the first page or the front. Okay, a user uses when visiting a site. The hypertext markup language naman or the HTML is the tools, okay, for creating web pages. Okay, doon tayo yun yung ginagamit natin in terms of designing the web, okay, the HTML. So, isa lang siya sa mga markup language in terms of creating web pages. Okay? A website naman, a group of related files organized around a common topic. Okay? A web page is a single file within a website that has a unique name. And a home page is the main page. So, kanina discuss na siya. So, bigay tayo ng sample. Here, I think magandang sample rito is, okay, ano ba? Gandang sample. Microsoft. Yun lang. Yun ang alam ko eh. Okay, na mas madali yan. Microsoft.com. Okay, so this is a website of Microsoft. Okay, yan. So, ito yung pinaka front or home page ng ating Microsoft. Okay, these are the websites, okay, ng Microsoft. So this is one of the example. Pero alam naman natin na maraming websites, okay, ang makikita natin sa internet. Okay? So that's it. Then next tayo. Okay, next. So web browser, yan. So a web browser accesses the web page from internet and displays that web page onto the monitor screen. So these are the parts of connections in terms of website or web pages. No? The menu, the navigation, buttons, the viewing area, okay, the title bar, okay, and the web address. So once you access the web browser, ito yung makikita natin. Okay? So tama naman, di ba? Natin. Yan, ito na. So if we will have the ito website to eh. Sorry. Yan. Okay? So if we will have the Google Chrome, ito. Click natin yan. Yan. Okay, so ito yung Chrome natin, no? So one of the examples of ang Google Chrome kasi dito eh. Yan. Okay, then meron siyang sariling mga applications. Okay, yan. So these are one of the access, how you can access the websites using the Google Chrome. And Google Chrome is one of the web browser. Yun. Web browser. So maraming klase ng web browser. No? We have the Safari for the iPhone. We have the Opera Mini. Okay? The Microsoft Edge or the Explorer.
Firefox.
Okay. Firefox, yes. The Mozilla Firefox. Okay. May gumagamit pa ba?
Wala na po ata, ma'am.
Pero meron yatang I don't know, it is a student, no? Gumagamit pa rin siya ng Mozilla because of games. Mas mabilis yata yung game function ng Mozilla rather than the Chrome. Okay, so may different types of usage siya. Pero, syempre, ang pinaka-popular talaga is what? Google Chrome. Okay, so yun yung mga web browsers. Next. So, how a web browser works? Ayan. So, your browser connects to a server page and request page, and the server will send back the requested page. Okay, so ito yung atin, ito yung mga client, ito yung server. So, an example of this is the Facebook, di ba? Facebook has its own server, di ba? If we request our account in Facebook, we will go to to the server of the Facebook, and Facebook server will send it back to us, yung account natin, once we enter or access our account. Okay? So that is the works of the web browser. Next. So you can connect, okay, to your other servers using the web browser. Okay, next. So types of websites. So we have the commercial sites, we have the portal sites, we have the informational sites, we have the educational sites, and we have the personal sites. Okay. So in terms of commercial, we're talking about mga business. Okay, business web pages, portal sites, okay, yun, informational sites, okay, educational sites, okay, which is used by schools, okay, tutorials, okay, and of course our personal sites, which is the our Facebook, Instagram. Okay, next. Okay, so here, guide to reading web pages are composed of many different elements. Okay, so including text, graphics, animations, and hyperlinks. So hyperlinks link web pages together and help the user navigate through a website. So obviously, di ba, since nakaka-access tayo sa website natin, we can, halo-halo yung nakikita natin. The graphics, the text, and the hyperlink or the active text. Yan. Ito yung mga hyperlink. Once you click this, you will go to another information or page. Diba? Ayan. So it provides you different pages, okay, or links through other leads. So Microsoft provides that kind of hyperlinks. Okay. Yan.
Ma'am,
So, yes?
may nag may nagpapa-admit daw po.
Bakit? Admit ko pa ba to? Nung oras na, 2:30 to na yung mga pasaway.
Kanina pa daw po sila, nagloloko lang daw po yung meet, sabi po
Di
nila.
rin. Ay, pasok. Okay, nakapasok na sila. Okay na? Saan nakapasok na sila? Hello? Okay. O, sige, saan na tayo? Yan. So, yan, yung mga... So, ito, isa to sa mga design in terms of web pages na pwede nating gawin. Okay. Pero, syempre, very complicated naman to. Okay, as a beginner. Okay? Ayan, may humahabol pa. Sino ba to? Okay na? Ay, nako. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating lecture. Yan, naghang na. Okay, so next. So text and graphics, web designers use text and graphics to add interest to a website. The combination of text and graphics are the basics of websites. So, kung makikita natin mga website, di ba, halo-halo yan. There's a text, there's a graphic. So, a text consists of words, letters, numbers, and other symbols. Graphic, a drawing, chart, diagram, painting, or photograph stored in a digital format. Okay, so this is the definition. Okay, isang patalistas muna raw. Next. Multimedia. So multimedia refers to the integration of elements such as graphics, text, mayroon ng audio, nadagdagan yung audio, video, animation, and interactivity. So meaning hindi na siya graphics and text. Ang dami na pwede nating i-embed sa ating web design. We can have an audio, live streamed or recorder sound. Meron tayong video, live or recorded moving images. We have the animation, the movement of text and graphics. Okay. Hyperlinks. So hyperlinks can be a word, phrase, or graphic. So dati ang hyperlink is more on the text. Okay, but now, okay, most of it is kahit yung graphics or mga pictures or any visual or multimedia can also be an hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink. So there are three types of hyperlinks. We have the internal, external, and intra-page. So hyperlink, a way to link web pages together and allow users to move from one online location to another. So kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung sample ng hyperlink. Next. What is web designing? Okay, so web design is the planning and creation of websites. This includes the information, user interface, site structures, navigations, layout, colors, fonts, and imagery. So these are the content. Yon. of your web design. So, pwedeng meron siyang information. Obviously, very important na information sa web designing. The user interface, okay? How you will how will be displayed, the structure. Okay? Hindi basta-basta lagay lang tayo naglagay ng mga information and pictures. We have the navigation, ano yung mga kailangan natin na hyperlinks. Gusto nyo ba by tab, by, uh, um, by graphics, layout, colors, fonts, and imagery. So mga pictures, pwede tayo maglagay doon. All of these are combined with the principles of web designing to create a website that meets the goal of the owner and the designer. So the website design process have 5 basic steps. There are 3 categories of website design. Specific skills are needed to develop and design websites. So this is the objective ng websites. To enhance your skills. Okay, alam ko siguro yung iba sa inyo meron namang kahit paano na idea about web designing, but definitely it will enhance your skills in web designing. Okay, so here, interaction design, information design, presentation design, web author. So these are the key terms, okay, sa mga susunod nating discussion. Okay, isang patalastas muna raw. Okay, nagkaano kasi nag-advertise, okay? Designing and implementing a website. There are 3 layers of a website design process. Interaction design, information design, and presentation design. So ito yung dapat natin isipin when it comes to designing. Okay, so what is the first process? Interaction design. Part of website design process is in which you determine how the user is likely to navigate through the site. Hindi, di ba, kaya tayo gumagawa ng website is just because to share informations, possible yan, to communicate, okay? For those people na gustong pumunta sa particular topic ng website. So, obviously, dapat hindi confusing. So, dito mapasok yung pagiging user-friendly ng inyong website. Yung hindi nakakalito, hindi masakit sa mata, di ba? Hindi siya yung mga words, etc. is readable. Okay? So, nakakapag-interact, kaya interaction design. Information design, part of website design process, and you should determine the content that will appear on each page. So, ano yung mga information na ilalagay mo? The grammar, di ba? The spelling. Okay? Of course, very important is information. Okay? At the same time, yung information mo is consistent when it comes to your theme. Okay? Na ginagawa niyong website. Okay? Presentation design, part of website design process in which you determine the physical appearance of the site's pages. Okay? So, how you will present it in terms of its color. Diba? Hindi naman din basta-basta. Naglalagay ka ng color. Baka nang may color na masakit sa mata. Tapos yung mga fonts mo malalaki. para lang masabing para lang masabing magkasya malaki yung yung design nyo. Di ba? Merong pangit Pangit yung dating ng design when it comes to the balance of designing. Okay? Next. So, what are the careers or some careers that website, okay? Pwede siya maging web author. So, person who writes the text that will appear on each web page. Okay, so parang siya yung pinaka nagde-decide when it comes to what information will appear. Okay? So, web designer, person yun. Person who develops the look and feel of the website. Kayo, isa kayo dyan. Pwede kayo maging web designer. Web developer, person who uses programming skills to develop websites. So medyo malawak when it comes, or complicated, may depth when it comes to web designing. Okay? And of course, yung webmaster, person who manages and maintains websites. Okay? Siya nagmamonitor, nag-evaluate ng mga websites. So marami pa yan, marami pang mga careers when it comes to web designing. So marami pa siya. Okay? And tapos na. That will be the end of our topic or chapter introduction of our WebSys. Any questions? May tanong? May tanong po ba? Hello? Hello? May tanong? Huy, may tanong ba?
Paano po namin maano yun?
Wala po.
Para
Okay.
reviewhan po.
Modules. What do you mean by modules? Ito.
Yan po, paano po ano yun? Link?
Di ba, yung link nasa inyo na. Nakalagay sa GC nyo Wala ba sa GC? Meron, di ba? Nasa
Okay
class
na po.
yata.
Thank you po.
Okay. Okay. So, bibigay ko naman sa inyo yung mga reference.
Hindi po.
So, obviously, yung hindi na ako magpapa-quiz or magpapa-exam written. So, diretso tayo sa activity, which is web designing. Okay, para mabilis yung pacing natin. Okay. So, may question pa ba? Actually, tayo gagawa ng module. Sorry kaya nakadepende sa akin. Okay, yung gagawin or yung technique ko when it comes to your web thesis. Wala siyang specific. I have the reference, I have the academic freedom to teach you regarding to the subject, which is the web thesis and the POMPO. Any questions pa? Hello? Maui? Maria Carmela? Na picture mo na ba? Screenshot our attendance for today? Tapos na. Okay na. So, may tanong ba? Hello? So, be prepared on Monday. Kung didire-diretsuin natin siya, kasi di ba, anong sa unang klase natin? WebSys, tama ba?
Po, ma'am.
WebSys, then 1 hour pahinga,
Tapos
tama ba? 1
Comprom na po.
hour, then ano ba gusto niyo
Comprom.
dire-diretso na? Diretsuin na natin, no? Gusto niyo ba? O may break rin tayo na 1 hour? May klase pa ba kayo after ng klase ko sa Comprom?
Meron po, ma'am.
Sa Monday? Meron.
Meron pa, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Sige. Is there any question pa? May question pa ba? May tanong? Ala na? Okay, so
Wala na po,
introduction. So introduction lang naman. So ang labanan natin talaga is the actual and the online. So mag-online natin more on mag-HTML na tayo. Okay, how we will run it and how we will provide it to you. So see you on Monday. Okay, so thank you and have a nice weekend.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you rin.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Nagpapa-admit si Viador, Ay, si Viador nagpapa-admit. Wag na, Mabi, Sige na. Inay-entry ko na to.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you rin. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you rin.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.